Have you ever contemplated the true meaning of financial freedom? It's not just about wealth or luxury, but rather the empowerment to make choices. Financial freedom allows for quality time with loved ones, the freedom to chase your dreams, and the opportunity to make a difference in the world. Most importantly, it brings peace of knowing your financial future is secure. Financial freedom is steering your life ship, not just lounging on a yacht. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're ready for a journey towards financial freedom. So, ready to navigate the seas of financial freedom? Let's chart a course. Financial freedom is like a sprawling, unexplored terrain. To conquer it, you need a roadmap. And that roadmap begins with living within your means. While this might sound like a cliché, it's a cliché for a reason. It's the cornerstone of any financial plan. It's not about denying yourself the pleasures of life, but rather about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. It's about the espresso at your favorite cafe versus a home-brewed cup, the brand new sports car versus a well-maintained used one. Sometimes less is more. Next, create and follow a budget. A budget is your financial compass, guiding you through the wilderness of expenses and income. It's not a straitjacket, but a tool for clarity and control. It helps you see where your money is going, where it could be better spent, and where you can save. A budget isn't a one-time thing either. It's a living, breathing document that evolves with your needs and goals. Now, let's talk about saving and investing wisely. Saving is like planting a sapling, while investing is like nurturing it to grow into a mighty tree. Regular savings provide a safety net for rainy days, while smart investments generate wealth over time. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about understanding the market, taking calculated risks, and playing the long game. And finally, cultivate multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income. It could be a side gig, a part-time job, or passive income from investments. The more streams, the merrier. Above all, prioritize financial education. Understanding money, how it works, how it grows, is empowering. It's not just about being rich, it's about being financially literate. Remember, the journey to wealth isn't about the speed, but the direction. Beware, brave explorer, the path to wealth is riddled with traps. Just as a seasoned adventurer knows to sidestep pitfalls, so too must you navigate the treacherous terrain of financial freedom. The first trap is debt, a quicksand that can pull you under. Avoid it by living within your means, and if you're already ensnared, prioritize paying it off. Next, there's the trap of impulse spending, the siren song that lures even the most stalwart into needless purchases. The antidote, a budget. Stick to it with the tenacity of a pit bull. Then there's the often overlooked trap of not planning for emergencies. A storm can hit anyone, anytime. Building an emergency fund is your storm shelter, offering protection when the financial weather turns foul. Remember, a good financial plan is your map in this journey. It can help you avoid these traps and reach the treasure of financial freedom. Dodging these traps isn't just smart, it's survival in the wild world of finance. Ahoy at last! The treasure, the true meaning of financial freedom. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked upon. We've deciphered the enigma of financial freedom, charting a course through the choppy seas of financial uncertainty. We've plotted a roadmap brimming with strategies to guide us, from smart investments to wise spending habits. We've also navigated around the pitfalls and traps that threaten to sink our ship. The mindless spending, the debt whirlpools, the get-rich-quick schemes that offer fools gold instead of true wealth. Remember, the treasure of financial freedom is not just a chest filled with gold coins. It is the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are in control of your wealth. It is the choice to spend your time on what matters to you. Financial freedom isn't a distant island, but a journey. And every journey begins with a single step. So, what's your first step going to be?